Andre!
What's up?
Mami Chula! Andre, where are we at right now?
We are at Phillips Arena.
Right.
And this is the calm before the storm. We are about to sound check.
Yep.
And I'm just kind of looking around.
Just saying.
Monitoring some power.
Let's go bug some people. Hi.
What's up?
What's your name? Introduce yourself to the
DJ
ATM.
Chronic, we're over here at Soundcheck.
Right.
Flo-Rida, Mami Chula in the house. It's
Right.
going
We've
down.
been seeing each other throughout the years a lot. But look, what is the craziest thing you've seen any groupie do try and get to Flo?
Oh man, Flo go in the crowd every time he's performing. We seen some girls jump on his back, try to ride him all the way up to the stage. It's been pretty crazy.
What about the hotel room?
Oh, the whole time. We'll keep that on the low.
Andre! Jingle ball, jingle ball.
No.
What up, everybody? It's Mami Chula and who?
Andre Perry.
Right, and we're getting ready to DJ Jingle Ball, the first one. And I'm so excited. We're at Phillips Arena sound check, and we're about to kill it. We're about to kill it. We're about to kill it. Do my white girl dance. Do my white girl dance, because we about to kill it. We about to kill it. Do my white girl dance.